I've got to admit, I have been wanting to get to the tips and tricks. And yeah, I want to get to Photoshop too, but I know that a strong foundation builds the best artists. So we've been moving through the basics, but like it says here, circumstances have accelerated the timeline. We need to get into tips and tricks, and I'm going to start you with something that I would never think I would introduce right off the bat, but duty calls, so we answer. Now, you might look at these two pictures and say, boring. Ooh. Well, this picture is made entirely of boring. It's an Illustrator file. It's a Photoshop file. This Photoshop file used this simple image in order to make this happen. It's something I invented. And through experimentation, and I want you guys to experiment, but you gotta learn the fundamentals in order to make these connections and make these leaps, and that's what the tips and tricks are going to be about, and they're going to go on all year long. So go ahead, make a few notes about what I just said, add a reflection, and complete the quest, and then go to the first tip and trick that's awaiting you, if you dare.